Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the DCC Museum. First video of 2021, we're finally able to leave the year 2020 behind us, the crazy year that has affected so many of us. Also a lot of good things happened in 2020, among them of course the brand new Marantz DCC release and the fantastic logo that he had secretly designed for us. Quite a few new members at the Patreon channel, one of them is Rob Rootering. He's now in charge of creating all the animation work for the DCC Museum. And you will see his videos occasionally pop up in our videos. 2021, a lot of things to look forward to. Moving to the new museum in Palm Springs, where we will have double the size, so we were able to display more and create hopefully better videos. Today's video, however, is about replacing the belt on all first generation DCC players. Next to the recapping of 17 SMD capacitors and new pinch rollers, all first generation DCC players like the Philips 900, Marantz DD82 and DD92, the Optimus 2000 and the Technics RS-DC10 need 3 new belts. 2 tray belts can be found on the right hand side and the capstan belt on the bottom. To gain easy access to both tray belts, you would have to loosen this black cable from its connector. Both belts can be replaced without removing the tray board on the right, but you would have easier access to the smaller belt if you do decide to remove it. We show you the more finicky process without removing the board. To replace the capstan belt, you start by removing the read-write board on the back. Add a paper clip to the exposed cable attached to the head to avoid ESD. 4 screws hold the metal plates covering the capstan belt. Make sure to mark the screws as they differ in size. Put the metal plate carefully to one side and attach the new belt like this. The reason for placing the belt over this bracket is to be able to close the metal cover and then position the belt on the pulley of the motor. A fine dental tool makes this process a lot easier, but you can also use a screwdriver. After that, you can put everything back together and test the mechanism. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.